make some snow volcano! Yay! Let's do it! It's pretty cool. We'll all three buy the things we need. Yeah, you saw us at the store. Okay, let's get this one. Let's get the vinegar. Metal! Let's get the colorful one. Guys, we have the stuff. Yay! We got the soda drinks. We got the Mentos. We got the color. We got the vinegar. We got the baking soda. Let's go! I'm putting some soap. All the Mentos. Look at these! Get it fast! Wow. It looks like waterfall. Wow. It's a beautiful sunset. Some colors are mixing and falling with it. Stuff. We could learn. Oh my gosh. We got blue lava! Oh my gosh! It's falling! Come on, stop it! And everyone can stop it! Oh my god, this is right now freaking out. Wow! It's the greatest one. Wow, that experiment was fun to learn.